Good morning, grade 5. Para sa ating Mathematics 5, start tayo sa day 1. Quarter 1, week 4, first activity title, multiplication of fraction. So, we have to visualize using our drawing. For example, we have a rectangle. Let us divide our rectangle into 2/3. So it means we will divide it by 3 parts as what our divisor or denominator indicated. So our numerator is 2, so it means we have to shade the 2 part. Multiply by our another fraction. We have 3/4. So our denominator is 4. So we have to divide the rectangle into 4. So let us divide it into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our numerator, 3. So it means we have to shade 3 part. So 1, 2, 3 part. Then how to answer multiplication based in our drawing. First, let us count the number of part where our rectangle is divided. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it means we have 12 parts. It will be the part of our answer as the denominator. Then the second one, where is the part of the rectangle where 2/3 and 3/4 combine or overlaps? It means it is in this side. Diyan sila nag-overlap. It means nag-overlap, nagsama. Then we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is our numerator. So in our activity 1, the drawing is already present. So all you have to do is to give the final answer. So the final answer, you have to count all the part of the rectangle, then it will become our denominator. Then part where then 1/3 and 3/4 met, it is in this part. So we will count 1, 2, 3. So it is our numerator. Okay, good luck sa pagsasagot.